Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in the hill country near Vanderpool, somewhere around there, and I'm here at the Lone Star Motorcycle Museum. Thought I'd give y'all a little bit of a gander here of this place. There's Chris over there again. So let's go inside and see what this place looks like. Do what?
Who builds a Norton?
Norton. Isn't that a British bike?
Yeah.
I think so.
See the speed diamond on it?
No.
It's inverted.
Inverted?
Inverted, yeah. Goes this way. So, weird. Like, the needle's right here.
Sure is. Priscilla. I'm here with Priscilla at the Lone Star Motorcycle Museum. She's going to tell me just a little bit how this place came about.
Well, the owners, Alan and Debbie Johncock,
Yeah.
from Houston area. This was Alan's passion to give a show the bikes, to collect these vintage motorcycles for about 30 years plus.
Yeah.
And when they retired, they needed a place to put them, and it just evolved into, they retired up here, evolved into this building, and they opened it up as a private collection. And it evolved into a cafe as well, since we're out in the boonies here.
And this place is fantastic.
Thank you.
It is.
They've worked very hard. They're very proud of it.
I've been out here about 4 or 5 times and I always stop by to see this place.
Good. Yep.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Well, when you buy a vehicle, the first oil change is free, and steam changes its own oil, because you don't want, because we had problems with people. See, why we're anal is we had a brand